Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you what are the top alternatives to the ChatGPT Browse with Bing web browser and ChatGPT plugin. Alright, so as you might know, recently OpenAI has disabled the Browse with Bing ChatGPT plugin. So at this moment, at the time of recording this video, it's not available and you cannot use it to open up links with ChatGPT and read the content of any web page. However, fortunately there are some alternatives to this Browse with Bing ChatGPT plugin, and I'm gonna show you these alternatives in this video. So the Browse with Bing feature is just disabled temporarily, so it might be back. But even if it's back, you might not like the output or the functionalities it has, and you want to get some better alternatives. And the three alternatives are WebPilot, VoxScript, and Link Reader. There are some other plugins, so I have a full database of all available ChatGPT plugins. You can check the link to this free database in the description below. I constantly update this database. But these are the three plugins that are really popular and can be used to read the content of any web page. And to demonstrate this, I have used the following prompt. Open this link, rx.com/use-ChatGPT-plugins. This is a tutorial on how to use ChatGPT plugins. And with each activated ChatGPT plugin, summarize the content in 3 bullet points per plugin based on the responses of the 3 plugins. So as you can see, all 3 of these plugins were activated. And then ChatGPT has used all of these plugins. As you can see, first it has used the WebPilot plugin and it has scraped the complete article, some metadata about the article, and it has also scraped some of the links on that page. The VoxScript plugin did the same thing. It had scraped the content of the article, and the Link Reader article was also able to do that. So as you can see here, and based on the content of those content scrapes, ChatGPT was able to give us a summary of this article. So if you want to learn more about each of these ChatGPT plugin, I have tutorials on all of these. So I have tutorial on the WebPilot plugin, the VoxScript ChatGPT plugin, and the Link Reader plugin. I will also link these tutorials in the description below so you can check them out and find the one that is best for your own use case. As I mentioned, there are also a ton of other ChatGPT plugin tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can check out, and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.